Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can reconnect your Rode Wireless Go microphone if they get disconnected. So to pair these transmitter and receiver, first you have to turn all of them on. Okay, and right now you can see there is one transmitter, this right side one, which is already connected, and you can identify that by, see, you can see the lights are stable, it's not blinking, and this one is not connected, it's not paired, so the light is blinking. Okay, and after you have turned all of them on, you have to do is press this button here on the bottom, the right one, and if you press it, it will select the first one, and if you again press it, it will go to second. So I want to pair the first one, so I will select the first, then press this button for 3 seconds, 1 2 3, till the Wi-Fi light start blinking. Then you have to press the power button on the transmitter which you want to connect just once, and then it will automatically get connected. So that's it.